Hello Bodhonians. Here is the truth. Almost no one is using AI to study, and those who are using it wrong 90% of the time. And that's exactly why they are not getting results. Let's be honest, you open your book, read the same page 3 times and still understand nothing. Exam gets closer, stress increases, and slowly you start thinking, maybe I am just not smart enough. But what if the problem is not you? It's your strategy. Cracking any exam, boards or competitive, has nothing to do with being smart. It's about strategy plus understanding. And in this video, I will show you the steps to realistically aim for 90% and to crack any exam. First thing first is to know your goal. What are you aiming for? Suppose if you are going to war and you need weapons. But if you are going to pray, you need to be focused. Same with exams. And let me tell you clearly here that the education system which we are in and the exams that they take has nothing to do with knowledge. So we were at exam. So your AI usage depends on what you are preparing for. If you are preparing for boards, start here. Ask AI for important chapters with weightage. Then ask for important topics inside those chapters. So here I search what are the important chapters in class 12 boards for CBSE physics with arrange according to weightage. And here we have some results and you can see clearly that it has arranged the chapters according to its weightage. Now let's ask important topics within electrostatic with high weightage. Since electrostatic was at top on the weightage, so let's ask what is the important topic inside electrostatics, and we get here most important topics: Coulomb's law and force between charges, electric field and electric field lines, electric flux and Gauss's law, and electric potential and potential difference, capacitors and capacitance. Now once you know the important chapters and the chapter weightage, it's time to use AI as a personal teacher. You can ask AI to teach you Gauss's law, and you can say the prompt as explain this concept like I am 10 years old with example. You can also give the prompt as teach me this chapter step by step, why does this formula work, and so on. Now it's time for you to go into the mind of the examiner. And how can you go? You can go into the mind of examiner by looking at the patterns of previous year questions. You can ask the AI to give you the most predictive questions on any chapter and you can also ask previous year questions, and this is how you prepare yourself from the first step to the last step. And once you are prepared, you can also explore the other options as quiz. You can ask AI to quiz you on any topic. You can give answer to AI and say, hey, can you check these answers like an examiner? The AI will do for you. Now it's time for you to revision, and you can also ask AI, give me short notes for quick revision, make flashcards from this chapter, summarize in one page, and this is how it will help you to score good marks in exam and to crack any exam. If you find this useful, subscribe to Bodhon because we are just getting started, and comment AI if you want me to make a full study plan for you. And for the students and the professionals, we are coming with a very productive app in coming weeks, and you can also explore that. Thank you.